Hi, I'm Andrea Bazzini, Technical Trainer in the Modula Training Department. I'm responsible for training the Modula technicians, as well as all technicians who work for Modula in Italy and around the world. Today we're in the Modula training area, showcasing the new model, the Modula Flexibox. This is where all the technicians will come, who will later perform installations in Italy and abroad, as well as other tasks, including assistance interventions and scheduled maintenance activities. This version, as you can see from the outside, is nearly identical to Modula's best-known model, the Modula Lift. Its installation and scheduled maintenance times have remained virtually the same. In fact, it has also been presented at several trade fairs in Italy, Europe, and the United States, while maintaining the same timelines we had for the Lift.